Am I the asshole for ordering alcohol? I am currently on a solo trip, all inclusive, to save having to look for places to eat by myself. The hotel has club style seating, meaning that all the tables are tables of 8 and people get sat together. Apparently, it's to encourage a sense of community and conversation. Last night, I was seated first and had a glass of wine. A family of 5 got seated at my table, 2 adults and 3 children. The mother turned to me and said, "We do not wish to expose our children to women drinking alcohol." I smiled and said, perhaps they should ask to move tables if that was an issue, but I'd be drinking my wine. They noticed that I was on my own and made passive-aggressive comments about this. I went up to get food, and on return, the wine had disappeared. A waiter came over and asked to see my wristband for the all-inclusive and said the family had told them that I was underage and must have sneaked away from my parents. He was very apologetic and returned with a fresh glass of wine just as the family came back with their food. Am I the asshole for requesting the waiter to bring me the full bottle along with a couple of shots of vodka? The family stormed out the restaurant when I drank the shots as they arrived at the table.